How to get and use CapCut templates. Go to your preferred web browser like Chrome or any other and head over to google.com. Type CapCut templates into the search bar. This method works on both iPhone and Android devices. From the search results, choose a website that offers CapCut templates. If you choose the official CapCut website, I recommend opening it directly. If clicking on the link redirects you to the CapCut app instead, go back to the browser, long press on the link, and select Open in a new tab. This ensures the website opens in your browser rather than the app. Scroll through the available templates. When you find one you like, tap on it. This will give you a preview of the template. Tap on the Use Template in CapCut button. This will open your photo gallery. Choose the photos or videos you want to include in your project. Preview the finished project. If you're satisfied, tap the Export button at the top right corner to save the video to your photo gallery or share it directly on TikTok. Method 2. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the search bar. Type in CapCut templates. Browse through TikTok videos that use CapCut templates. When you find a video with a template you like, open the video. Tap on the CapCut Try This Template option. Then, click on the Use Template in CapCut button. The selected template will import into the CapCut editing app. Wait for the import to complete. Your photo gallery will open, allowing you to select the photos or videos you want to use in the template. If you like how it turns out, tap Export at the top right corner to save the video to your camera roll or share it directly to TikTok.